Hi everyone. In this video I am going to tell you something about the cell. As you can see on the board, I have written cell. So a cell is the structural and functional unit of life. All living organisms are made up of cells. An organism can be made up of only one cell, which are called unicellular organism, or more than one cell, multicellular organism. Just like us, we the human beings are multicellular organism. A cell, if I talk about the cell, then cell is surrounded by the plasma membrane. It has the cytoplasm, in which different cellular structures are present, which are called organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast and all. Along with that, there is one more thing, that is nucleus. Nucleus is a double membrane bound structure which contains the DNA. Prokaryotic cell lacks nucleus. Okay. Now I am going to tell you something about organelles. Like mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Similarly, the lysosome is called the suicidal bag. Why? If I talk about why, then lysosome contains the acid hydrolase enzymes which can digest the whole cell. If the lysosomal membrane is disrupted or destroyed, then the enzymes will spread over the cytoplasm and it will digest the whole cell, and that's why lysosome is called as the suicidal bag. Mitochondria the powerhouse because it forms the ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Now there are something which are double membrane bound structures like nucleus, mitochondria and plastid. Similarly, single membrane bound structures like lysosome, peroxisome and vacuole. And non-membrane bound organelle is ribosome. Ribosomes are non-membrane bound as well as they are the smallest organelle of the cell. Now one more thing, mitochondria and plastids, both of them have their own nucleus, own DNA. Okay, so I have told you something basic about the cell. If I talk about the discovery of cell, then Robert Hooke discovered the cell, but the live cell was seen first of all by Leeuwenhoek, and the nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Cell theory was formulated by Schleiden and Swan. Have fun. Thank you. Bye bye.